In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a cover thumbnail in CapCut on PC. Let's start inside CapCut, with your project already open in the editor. On your main timeline, look for your video track. On the left side of that track, you'll see a small pencil icon. When you hover your mouse over that icon, a label should appear that says Add Cover. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll choose what your thumbnail or cover image will look like. Inside this pop-up, you'll see two main tabs. The first one is from video. If you select this tab, you can drag the playhead along your video and pick a specific frame to use as your thumbnail. Take a moment to scrub through your footage and stop on a frame that clearly represents your video, maybe a close-up, a key moment, or something visually interesting. This is a quick option if you don't have a custom image prepared. The second tab is Upload. Choose this if you've already designed a thumbnail in another program. Click the plus icon and your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your thumbnail image is saved. Click on the file you want to use, then click Open or simply press Enter on your keyboard. CapCut will then load that image into the cover editor. Once you've chosen your starting point, either from the video or by uploading an image, click the button that says Edit Cover. The editor may take a little time to load, especially on slower machines, so just be patient and let it finish. When the cover editor opens, you'll notice a toolbar on the left side of the screen. From here, you can upload and add more media, like extra images or overlays. You can also add text to include your title or a short phrase, add stickers for extra flair, or draw attention using shapes. If you click the More Options icon, you'll see additional tools like design options, frames, and brand kit elements if you use consistent branding. To keep things simple, you can also click on Templates and choose one of the ready-made layouts, then just customize the text and images to match your video. When you're happy with how your cover looks, click Set Cover. CapCut will save your design and apply it as the thumbnail for your project. And that's it. You've successfully edited your cover thumbnail in CapCut on PC.